Hi everyone, it's Fiona Fernandez by Fee Handcrafts, and I've finally got one of my boxes. Got another one coming soon, and I thought I'll just do a quick unboxing before lunch. So I hope everyone's keeping well. Pull that open. So it's squashed at this end today, unusual. Into it. Severe in there. So it's still Sale-A-Bration at the moment until the end of September. Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck. Sale-A-Bration means if you spend $90 purchase on any Stampin' Up products, you can choose free Sale-A-Bration items. So for every $90 you spend, you get to choose one, or some of the things are $180 spends. So there's two things in the brochure. I don't have the brochure here though. Just got my box to unbox. Got lots of air. So I've just ordered a few things to go on the end of my workshop order last month. And then I've put in another order, so I'm waiting to get that as well. They had a bit of a delay though with the COVID cases. So I've bought some refills. So you can get refills for your ink pads. This is the Versamark one, the clear one. And it's always a good idea to get them if you've got the ink pads, because then when you're running low on ink, and some of the colours, like the in colours, so this one's polished pink, that's an in colour for this year. And they do run out after 2 years, the in colours, they change them. So it's a good idea to get your re-inkers when you're getting the ink pads. So I've just got a few re-inkers. I've bought all of the in colour for this year. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another one. So these ones you buy individually like this. And then for the other sets, I'll just put those on the table. So there's other sets and they're in collections. So they're called collections. So this is the Regal's collection. So for those, there's 4 different collections. There's Regal's, Brights, Subtles, and I haven't got it in front of me. I can't think of it. Neutrals, that's the other one. So you can buy them as a bundle. So you'll get 10% off bundles. So that's a good way to buy your re-inkers for those ones. All right, so I've bought some of my stamp pads are the bigger ones, and some of them are the little ink spots. And I just use these to ink up the ink spots. So there we go. That's those ones. That's the Regal's collection. And here's the subtle. No, that's the neutrals. That was the other one I couldn't remember. Neutrals. So now we've got one of each of those, and I actually keep them. I cut it across here and just take them out individually so that they stay stored upright in like their boxes. What else have I got in here today? I've got some sheep dies. Now this is one of the Sale-A-Bration items, and these ones are only while stocks last. The sheep dies. So these are a $90 spend, and I've already got the sheep stamps, and I'm going to be using them in my live on Wednesday night at 8:30 and playing with those. So that should be fun. So they cut out the sheep. What else have I got? We've got some Gilded Gems. I love these, and I'm planning to use these on some more of my class cards. Bit of bling. Oh, that's a special present for somebody. So if you're on my team, I do give rewards for achievements, and someone has earned that. So that's very exciting. This one's the Bedazzling paper, and that's one of the Sale-A-Bration items as well. That is so gorgeous in real life. It's even better than on camera here. It's just really lovely. Okay, what else have we got under here? Just get a thank you letter out. So we always get a thank you letter. Thank you for your order, and it has all the bits and pieces you've ordered on it. So it's a good idea to double check that against your original order and make sure everything's in order. I bought some Mango Melody cardstock because I think that's the only one I hadn't purchased yet, so I decided to get that as well. So that's my unboxing for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you live on Wednesday night at 8:30 if you're around. That'd be great. I always make something and make it up as we go along and get some help from everybody watching, and it's lots of fun. So ciao.